Hi, welcome to Whimsy Crafter. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified about latest videos on my channel. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful and don't forget to comment below with your queries. In my previous video, I showed you how you can easily create your own stencil at home using your computer. However, in this video, I'll show you how you should cut your stencil template to bring out the imprint flawlessly. This is my stencil template. You'll also be needing a paper cutter or X-Acto knife and a hard surface to cut on. I'm using an exam board over here. I'll affix the template on the board and start cutting out the black portions. I'm a huge fan of the Big Bang Theory, especially of Sheldon, so I simply couldn't resist downloading the silhouette. Grip on the knife securely and cut bit by bit. This will take some time, so have patience and cut out each of the sections one by one. You can see I've cut out the letters of the caption. Next, I'll cut out the portions of the face bit by bit. You can see here that I've completed cutting out the portions in black. These empty spaces are the ones where you need to fill in the colors. Now there were two white pieces defining the right side of the picture. I have saved them and will place them on the t-shirt during the printing. Similarly, you need to save the inner white portions or the islands of the letters like A and O for later use. Please keep this in mind. I hope you found this DIY useful. Please comment below if you have any queries.